Hey everybody, Raddad Cooks here.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Happy Meatless Monday. Today we're whipping up a vegan tomato soup. Let's go. We got 1 carrot, 1 celery. Cut them up. It can be chunky because we're going to blend it in the long run. We're also going to use 1 leek, just the white, and then where it kind of fades into the green part, not the leafy parts. We're going to crush and mince up 2 garlic cloves. Don't want to overdo the garlic or it'll taste like spaghetti sauce. Get all that into a stock pot, handful of basil, 1 bay leaf. We're gonna add 2 cups of water to that. And then to give it some body and some flavor, we're gonna add a can of drained and rinsed chickpeas and 3 teaspoons of Better Than Bouillon brand vegetable stock base. Stir it all up, throw the lid on, and we're gonna simmer this for 30 minutes.
It sound right, boys.
After 30 minutes, you're gonna put in 2 cans of whole tomatoes, a little splash of curry powder, more if you like it. Let it out, leave it out if you don't. We're gonna put in 1 whole cup of sun-dried tomatoes. Stir it all up. Lid back on. We're gonna simmer this up 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and blend it up. You could let it cool and do it in batches in a blender, but immersion blender is the best thing to get this job done. This is your opportunity to make it as smooth or as chunky as you'd like. If you want it real smooth, you could pour it through a strainer. Once you get to the consistency you like, it's ready to serve up. We really like to garnish it with some balsamic vinegar. It really goes well with the flavors of this soup. This is a pomegranate balsamic from one of those fancy oil and vinegar shops. You know you've really made it as a millennial when you're out doing an oil and vinegar tasting on a Saturday. Or at least it's a good activity to do when you're pregnant. Alcohol free. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Smash that like button for me. Check back next Monday for another meatless recipe. Peace!